So ayun na nga mga sports, FIBA World Cup Asian qualifiers na ginanap sa France na kung saan ay unang laro ng Pilipinas at unang talo na rin dahil nagtapos po ang laro sa score na 66 sa Pilipinas at 115 sa France na kung saan 49 points po ang lamang ng France sa ating national team. Ang mga player na nakakuha ng malalaking score or malalaking figure sa mga sports, si Sugapong, Bernardino at De La Rosa ang nagdala sa kanilang team, pero sadly to say hindi po sila nagwagi. Halika tingnan natin ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
So you have to respect just the intensity.
All right. Johannes, little step back three. Torre, nice little crossover. Nice pass inside.
Secure that and secure it in a way that you can go straight up as
right.
well.
Oh, and away.
Yeah, locking in that spot in the 12.
Oh, for
She
sure.
has a standout week. It makes it a very difficult decision to not give her the
Double team comes and Gay put the ball in the wrong. Berberabe goes behind the back. 1-footer. Get out of here. Missing.
Yeah,
Brianna Stewart, Asia Wilson.
Sabrina.
Yeah, I mean, it just goes on.
And on.
Yes,
Fun.
it is.
It really is.
And Nina Torre knocks down a three-pointer for France. And Sugapong not scored yet for France. And Bernardino. Sugapong moves it inside to De La Rosa off the glass for two. Turned it over in that possession. Bernardino looking to go coast to coast. Uses her body and finishes.
So mga ka-sports, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell para updated tayo pareho sa mundo ng basketball world. Laban Pilipinas puso, so paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanunood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!